Alright, today I'm going to be trying to fix this failed Yeezy custom that I did here. Some of you guys actually said you didn't mind this result, but I wasn't feeling it. Purple, it does have a little bit of marbling in it, but it just isn't as vibrant as I would have liked it. So I'm going to actually just black this one out and see how this looks blacked out. So I have the water filling right now, and then I also bought the RIT synthetic dye, which is a black color. So that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and add this to the water and then try to make this thing work. Synthetic dye. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put one of these in and try to change this black. With this synthetic dye, it should actually turn the color of this outsole as well. So we'll see what happens, but just dipping it in real quick and see. Crazy. Alright, and now we wait. Trying to wait a half an hour on this one. Alright, moment of truth. Gonna pull it out and take a look. Oh man. Gotta empty it out real quick and try to pull it out. Super hot. Leave a thumbs up for the flaming hot Yeezys if you want.
Perfect.
Alright, so here we have it, the final results from the dip dye. As you can see, it really made it kind of different. It made it more of a gray color than I anticipated. Straight out of the pot, it looked like it was going to be black, and then it faded quite a bit, obviously. The downside to that is the visibility of the crappy glue job on the shoe. Normally you wouldn't be able to see it, but it accentuates the shoe, as you can see right here, because of that dye. So kind of a bummer to see that, but all in all, I actually don't mind it. I think it looks pretty good. It looks way better than it did the previous versions of the shoe, 1, 2, or 3. So I think that is a good thing. The other thing that's a little bit weird is the shape is a little off on this one. It was from being squished down like that. So I need to just go ahead and put a shoe tree in here and let it like reset and get this thing back realigned so it's back over a little bit more. So that's another thing I noticed, but it looks pretty crazy, and you can see the soles totally dyed through. Like, it doesn't like come off or anything like that. Like, it's pretty good on the shoe. It wouldn't have been this dark if I used the regular dye and not the synthetic. So if you want the rubberized materials and like, I guess the synthetic parts to be more noticeable, then use the synthetic dye. The prime knit upper though just really didn't hold the color as well as I would have hoped. So I had 2 different pairs of creams. I turned one of them brown, I turned the other one black. And I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. I wish I could do some other things to it, but the materials are not very easy to work with, to be honest. At least for like dip dyes and stuff like that. Some people were asking me specifically about black dip dye and how it would come out. So here you go, this is it. My pair here was definitely sloppy comparison to the other one. So, you know, it is what it is. It's just kind of part of the way it goes when you use something as simple as a dip dye. It was really easy. I mean, I just threw the shoes in a pot for like half an hour, 50 minutes, took them out, and then called it good. There's no like painting or anything like that. It's just a simple dip, and then if it turns out, it turns out. And this is the results. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you guys have other suggestions for sneakers that you want to see dip dyed, or ones that I'm wondering if it will work on, leave a comment and let me know, and I'll look into it if I think it's possible. But thanks for stopping by. Have a great rest of the day. We will catch you guys for some more videos soon. Peace, guys.